Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this low-carb keto tortilla chips. So for this recipe, I use shredded cheese, almond flour, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients. I used Dutch cheese, but you can use any other cheese that melts well. And you can leave out the salt depending on the cheese you'll be using. Then microwave it for about 45 seconds, and this is how it should look after you microwave it. Use a spatula to knead the dough because at this point the dough is very hot. And this is how the dough should look like. Roll the dough, and I like to put some parchment paper on top of the dough to make it easier to roll. Cut the chips in your desired shape. Bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 15 minutes. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.